In this video, we will see how to connect a thermocouple and select sensor type in the Rocksensor RTT5000 field mount temperature transmitter. First, we connect the thermocouple to the transmitter terminals as per the wiring diagram, ensuring correct polarity. After completing the wiring, we power on the transmitter using a 24 VDC power supply. Once powered on, the transmitter starts measuring temperature. Currently, it shows 17 degrees Celsius, which is the ambient temperature, as this test is being done during winter conditions. The RTT5000 transmitter has 3 front keys: M for menu and enter, S for scrolling, Z for cursor movement and confirmation. To enter the configuration menu, press the M key. First, scroll to function 32 set channel and press M to enter. Since this is a dual channel input type, we select channel 1 and confirm by pressing M. Here, we select thermocouple. Then choose the required thermocouple type, for example type K. Press M to confirm. Now, long press M to return to the main menu. Finally, scroll to function 36, Save Settings. Press M, select Yes, and press M again to save all parameters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical instrumentation videos from Rocksensor.